be using this gun to destroy Emilio, okay? This gun is beast. So yeah, I'm gonna be versing Emilio with this gun. And then you're gonna show them your gun. I'm gonna show them my gun. Now I'm gonna verse Emilio with this gun. Now you don't mind.
Now I'm going to be versing Tony with this gun. So, a normal, regular, this is how I go.
You ready? You ready? Go. Sniper time. You don't even have a bullet. Ha 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 ha. Start to the neck. Did you hear the noise? Dude, it's jammed. Wait, it's jammed. You're on the ground. I beat you. No! Wait, first I need to see my teammate. Oh! No! No! And then I come back from the dead. And then I'm done.